How to recover deleted chat on WhatsApp without backup or applications. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can recover your deleted chat on WhatsApp without backup or applications. Now, first things first, as you know, your WhatsApp gives you an option to back up your chat and you'll be able to recover it easily while switching your device or even if you mistakenly delete it. So if you head over to chat section there and you can see chat backup, and if you turned it on, if you have backed it up, then you can easily recover it. However, if you haven't backed it up, then unfortunately there is no any option to recover your deleted chat. Now if you have backed it up, you can simply go ahead and you can recover it, but if you haven't backed it up, then there is absolutely no way of recovering it. So you can simply head over to chats now, and then you can simply go ahead and head into chat backup, and then you can enable backup, and you can set the frequency to daily so that you don't lose any chat history. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.